want to show you how easy it is to tailor your own clothes. While researching different methods and ways to tailor a pair of pants, I learned that there are many ways and many different techniques. I would suggest finding something that makes the most sense to you, as I did, and I will be showing that to you today. What kind of teacher would I be if I didn't let you know what kind of materials that you need for this project? We'll be using quite a few things, and if you don't have these things, our homegirl Joanne is no longer with us, so I guess you may have to get them somewhere else, or you could improvise. I'll be using a pair of scissors, tailor's chalk, sewing pins, a tape measure, a sewing machine, an iron, thread, a seam ripper, the item that you're gonna be making the alterations on. So for me, the pair of black pants, and for you, whatever that may be. And did I say tape measure? If I did, then a tape measure, I'm saying it again. And I will also need a positive attitude and to have a lot of fun. So if you have all those materials, then you're ready to go. Before sewing, my very first step is to try the pants on just to better assess the problem. It's pretty obvious that the fabric is gathering in the front, creating this pretty large wrinkle in the center. My goal for this project is to get rid of as much fabric as possible so that the pants are wrinkle-free. In this case, the crotch is too low, and to fix it, I would need to pin the fold at the center front to lift the pant to a comfortable level. Then I would measure the pin fold. I start off turning the pants inside out and removing the seam with my seam ripper. And like the book mentioned, we need to pin the fold and measure it. So here you see me gently gathering the fabric to get an accurate measurement, which for me is 6 centimeters. I also use this time to pin the pants while I have them on so that they are more tailored to my body. With the measuring tape, I'm going around my inseam, making sure that everything evenly measures out to be 6 centimeters. And of course, you'll see me pinning the fabric in place as I go, just to prevent the fabric from shifting when I do begin the sewing process. Originally, the pants had a serge finish. I won't be using my serger today, so to replicate that same finishing, I will be using a zigzag stitch on my sewing machine. Once I am done sewing, I'm going to iron and cut the excess fabric. I highly recommend trying on the pants just one more time before cutting in case you may need extra room to make new adjustments. For this being my first time, I am very surprised with how the pants turned out. There are more things I want to do differently next time, and I know that with practice, I will get there eventually. I hope this video was somewhat useful to you, and if nothing else, that does conclude how I tailor a pair of pants, and thanks for watching.